Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'm pretty obsessed with seasonal coffee flavors, and gingerbread is one of my favorites.
This pod really delivers on the gingerbread flavor. I noticed right away when I started brewing it, it smells like gingerbread and the flavor is incredible. I am totally obsessed with it. And I love Starbucks because they do not use artificial flavoring to flavor their coffees. So that is a big bonus for me. I like to add a little bit of soy milk or non dairy creamer to it personally, and it just tastes so delicious. It's perfect for cozy, cool winter days. It's got that perfect gingerbread flavor. I'm totally obsessed with it, and I highly recommend checking out this particular flavor of coffee.
I love that I can make this gingerbread coffee right from the comfort of my home. It's Starbucks quality, and being a single serve coffee pod, it is so quick and easy to use. You've got to check this out if you love gingerbread flavor, but that's just my point of view.